Your windows play a big role in keeping your Orangeburg home comfortable, energy efficient, and looking its best. But like everything else in your house, windows don't last forever. Over time, they can become less effective and even start costing you money in hidden ways: higher energy bills, frequent repairs, and lost curb appeal. If you're wondering whether your windows are due for an upgrade, here are the top signs it's time to get replacement windows for your Orangeburg home. Your energy bills are going up. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need replacing is a spike in your heating and cooling costs. Old or poorly sealed windows can let outside air in and conditioned air out, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. This is especially important in Orangeburg, where we deal with hot, humid summers and cool winters. New energy-efficient windows are designed to provide better insulation, helping you cut down on monthly energy bills. You feel drafts, even when windows are closed. If you stand near your window and feel a breeze, even when it's shut tight, it's a clear sign the seals have failed. Drafty windows make it hard to maintain a steady indoor temperature and can lead to uneven heating or cooling throughout your home. If weather stripping or sealant repairs aren't solving the issue, it's time to consider full window replacement. Your windows are difficult to open or close. Windows should open and close smoothly. If they're sticking, jamming, or refusing to stay open, it could be due to frame warping, swelling from humidity, or worn-out hardware. These issues are common in older windows and can also compromise your home's security. New windows not only restore function but also provide peace of mind with secure locking mechanisms. Visible damage or deterioration. Take a look at the condition of your window frames and glass. Are they cracked, chipped, or rotting? Do you see peeling paint, moisture damage, or insect activity around the frame? These are all signs your windows are beyond simple repair. Upgrading to new, durable windows not only protects your home but also improves its appearance from the street. Fog or condensation between the pane. Double or triple pane windows are designed with insulating gas between the glass layers. If you're seeing fog, moisture, or condensation trapped inside, it means the seal has broken and the insulation is no longer working. Once that happens, the window loses most of its energy efficiency and should be replaced to restore performance. Your home feels noisy inside. If you live near a busy road or in a lively Orangeburg neighborhood and you're hearing too much outside noise, your windows might be part of the problem. Modern replacement windows offer noise-reducing features that help create a quieter, more peaceful home environment. Your windows look outdated. Curb appeal matters, whether you're planning to sell or simply take pride in your home. Faded, old-fashioned, or damaged windows can drag down the overall appearance of your house. New replacement windows come in a variety of styles, finishes, and designs to match your home's architecture and make a great first impression. The bottom line: replacing your windows is an investment, but it's one that pays off in better comfort, lower utility bills, increased home value, and improved aesthetics. If your Orangeburg home is showing any of the signs above, it might be time to explore your window replacement options. Working with a trusted local contractor ensures you'll get quality installation and products that are built for Orangeburg's unique climate and style. Don't wait until small issues turn into big expenses. Take the first step toward a more comfortable and efficient home today.